never seen me before, my name is Whitney Wuzor and I'm a beauty, fashion and lifestyle YouTuber based in Goa, India. Lipsticks are a staple that ladies and gents like to rock. However, there are a couple of mistakes that we tend to make, and I'm basically gonna tell you the top mistakes that your mom, your auntie, your sister, your uncle, Auntie Patricia, Uncle Rob, and yourself is probably doing wrong. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Mistake number 1. Wearing a lipstick that is way too light for your skin tone. Now, I see a lot of people doing this, especially when it comes to nude shades. Now, ladies and gentlemen, do keep in mind that if you are a dusky/chocolate skin girl, you need a liner, okay? And if you are fair to medium, you still need a liner. Now, most of us are guilty when it comes to this, especially me, because there was a time when I knew nothing about makeup. I liked to shade. It was way too light for me. I thought it looked good, but honestly, it didn't. Now, the hack here is to apply a dark shade than the color that you have on your lips. This helps to neutralize the look and makes your lips look like it's got some life in it and it's not just dead. Mistake number 2. Dry and flaky lips. Now, I don't know about you guys, but chapped lips does not look cute. Especially when you are putting on a layer of matte lipstick, it makes your lips look even drier and you end up seeing lines, and that looks really unattractive. So the tip here is to apply a layer of Vaseline or lip balm of your choice every night before you go to sleep, so that when you wake up the next morning, your lips are nice, soft and moisturized and ready to take on the new lipstick that you plan to apply. Tip number 3 is your lipstick does not match your eyeshadow. So I have a very simple rule that will solve this problem. So if you are going in with a very heavy eye makeup, do make sure that you keep your lips as neutral as possible, and vice versa. If you're going in with a very heavy colored lip, do make sure that you are going in with a very neutral eye makeup. It just makes you look more put together. And as for the coloring, I know sometimes we like to go in with a nice bold pink eye makeup and a nice bold pink lipstick. So the tip for that is make sure that either one of the colors that is highlighted in your eyes matches your lips. Now, that is a very easy thing to do, so don't make that mistake. And if you are guilty of doing this, it's okay. We're all learners here, and I hope you implement this into your next makeup. Now, the final tip, and that is lip transfers. Now, lip transfers are predominantly there if you are rocking a glossy lipstick, a velvet lipstick, or a silk finished lipstick. You hardly see it if you have a matte lipstick, and when you go out to eat and you're sipping on a glass of water, you're eating from a spoon and your lipstick is everywhere, that doesn't really look cute. So one pro tip that I do recommend is after you apply your lipstick, do take a tissue paper and blot down your lipstick. That will help you have a less transfer proof lipstick, and you won't have to worry about your lipstick staining everything around you. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you are guilty of any one of these things, I do recommend that you have the courage to comment down below and tell me what it is that you're guilty of. It's okay if you are. Honestly, we're all learners when it comes to beauty, when it comes to makeup. And I feel like these kind of videos are so informational and so needed. So if this video helped you, make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of me. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.